Halloween parties are full of fun traditional games like bobbing for apples and donuts on a string. But if you want to take your Halloween party up a notch this year, try these 4 creative twists on those classic games. Hi, I'm Brittany with Family Fun Everyday, where our goal is to make it simple for you to create lasting memories with your family. So if you want ideas for those everyday games that you can do, go ahead and subscribe so you can check out all of our videos in the future. So now back to those 4 creative twists on Halloween games. The first one is with donuts on a string. The twist here is that it's spiders on a web. I know I am not a fan of spiders, but I do like this game, and you'll know why. It's because of the donuts. But instead of using glazed donuts, we are using chocolate donuts. That's right. Oh, I love chocolate. So good. So in this case, we're also going to get some chocolate licorice, and each donut needs 3 pieces of licorice. You're going to divide each one into thirds, so you have 9 pieces. 8 of those are going to be your legs, which you can just put in around the side of the donut. Once those are in, you can use some frosting to attach some edible eyes. And then once it dries for a little bit, you're just going to use some gift wrapping string to be able to hang it on its spider web. Once all of those spiders are ready, you're ready to hang them up, whether you use a broom or we used a stand. Go ahead and decorate it with spider web, holiday lights to give it that festive look. And then the twist when you play the game is that those spider legs are poison. Dun dun dun. That's right, we don't want to eat them. Not that you'd ever want to eat a spider, except for our chocolate one. So you're going to try and eat as much as you can around the donut while leaving those spider legs in place. Go ahead and get creative on how you're doing that. And you can keep playing until you have just 2 spider legs left. Once you're left with 2, then you're done. And you're gonna wait and see once everybody has just 2 spider legs left, whoever ate the most of their spider is the winner. It's a lot of fun, a little bit messy, but we had a blast doing it. Now on to twist number 2 is with multiple mummies. You've probably seen the game where you wrap someone up in toilet paper to create a mummy look. Well, we're gonna do a twist on that. We're actually gonna use crepe paper because it's a little bit stronger. You're gonna wrap the first person up just like you would with the normal toilet paper mummy game, but after this one, you're gonna have a team relay. You want to divide into 2 teams, and then you're going to have each person wrapped up as a mummy to start. Then, once that is ready, you're going to try and unwrap the first person directly into the second person. So they're going to be spinning in opposite directions, and then once the second person's wrapped, he'll unwrap into the third, and so on until you've completed your line of people. You can have the winner in a couple different ways. One could be whichever team completes all of their players first, or you could play that whoever has the longest piece of the crepe paper left intact is going to be the winner, because you're bound to break it a few times. When that happens, just have them hold the next piece and keep unwrapping or wrapping up into the other person. So those 2 ways to be able to play are a lot of fun. Our third twist is on the cakewalk. So in a classic cakewalk, you put numbers on the ground, everyone goes around it, and then once the music stops, they stop, you call it a number, whoever is on the number wins. But in this twist, instead of putting numbers on the ground, we're gonna use pumpkins. So I drew 2 sets of pumpkins, and then you put 1 set of the pumpkin on the inside, and then the other set of all the pumpkins is used to create the circle around the outside. Again, you just play music while people walk around in the circle, and then once the music stops, they pick up the closest jack-o'-lantern, race to the center to see who can find the match the fastest, and then whoever finds the match is the winner. Or if you want to make it a little bit longer for a more grand prize at the end, you can have whoever is the last person each round to make their match be out of the circle while everybody else plays, and then again the last person in the round is out of the circle, and you keep playing until there's just 1 person left. So that is our pumpkin patch match twist on a classic cakewalk. Twist number 4, the final one, is on bobbing for apples, but in this case, you don't have to get your face wet. But you do get to dive face first into some food, just like bobbing for apples. Instead of planting your head face first into water, you're going to do it into a pancake. That's right, this is a pancake pumpkin carving contest. So in this case, you can just dye your pancakes orange and green to make them look like pumpkins, and then everyone gets one on a plate, and they have 60 seconds to carve a pumpkin using just their teeth. You can do a jack-o'-lantern face, or you can do a shape like I did a bat when we played. So whatever you want to do, and then at the end you can judge in various categories to see who won. So that is our 4 twists on Halloween classic party games. If you want more party games, I'll put some more for Halloween down below in the description, or click here and here as well. If you enjoyed these, be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to check out even more family game ideas for the holidays or just for everyday fun, where you can have that quality time with your family. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!